Welcome back to my channel, all about Lean Six Sigma. I'm Luca, and today we're digging into a crucial aspect of healthcare that often operates behind the scenes, but significantly impacts our experiences as patients. Process improvement may not sound as thrilling as a medical drama, but its importance cannot be overstated. Today, we aim to provide a thorough understanding of healthcare process improvement, breaking down its core principles and showcasing its real-world applications. Imagine entering a hospital where everything runs seamlessly. No confusing corridors, no unnecessary delays. Today, we're unraveling the layers of healthcare process improvement, aiming to demystify a topic that plays a pivotal role in making healthcare more efficient and patient-focused. Before we dive into the intricacies, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We're here to simplify the complexities of healthcare, so let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is healthcare process improvement? At its core, it's a set of strategies and methodologies designed to enhance the efficiency and patient centricity of healthcare systems. Think of it as a makeover for the way healthcare operates, aimed at optimizing processes to ensure smoother and more effective patient care. The goal is to streamline processes, reduce wait times, and ultimately improve the overall patient experience. It's not about the dramatic scenes you see in medical TV shows, but rather about implementing changes that positively impact the daily functioning of healthcare institutions. For instance, let's consider the notorious wait times in emergency rooms. Healthcare process improvement involves analyzing the steps from admission to treatment, identifying bottlenecks, and implementing changes to expedite the process. This could range from optimizing patient triage systems to ensuring a more efficient flow or information between medical staff. Now, let's meet the key players in this process improvement game. Doctors, nurses, administrators, a collaborative effort reminiscent of a well-coordinated team. They work together to identify and eliminate bottlenecks, making the system function seamlessly. It's like a healthcare Avengers team, where everyone plays a crucial role in ensuring your journey through the healthcare system is as smooth as possible. Consider the management of chronic conditions like diabetes. Healthcare process improvement involves creating interdisciplinary teams comprising doctors, nurses, dietitians, and pharmacists working together to provide a comprehensive and streamlined care plan. This team-based approach ensures that patients receive holistic care, addressing both medical and lifestyle aspects. You might be wondering, why should I care about healthcare process improvement? Well, let's consider the alternative. A healthcare system where waiting times are long, processes are convoluted, and patient experience is less than optimal. By minimizing wait times and optimizing processes, healthcare process improvement aims to make your journey through the healthcare system faster and more efficient. Take preventative care screenings, for instance. Process improvement involves analyzing the steps from scheduling appointments to delivering results. By implementing changes such as online appointment scheduling, automated reminders, and streamlined communication channels, healthcare providers can ensure that patients are more likely to undergo vital screenings, contributing to early detection and intervention. It's about improving the overall experience, ensuring that you spend less time waiting and more time receiving the care you need. So let's talk about the practical side of process improvement. It involves analyzing data, identifying areas for improvement, and implementing changes. It may not have the glamour of a medical drama, but its impact on patient care is significant. Healthcare professionals use a variety of tools, including data analytics, to identify inefficiencies and areas for improvement. For example, analyzing patient wait times, appointment scheduling data, and feedback surveys can provide valuable insights into the areas that need attention. Imagine a hospital that uses data analytics to track patient flow in real time. By monitoring the movement of patients from check-in to discharge, healthcare administrators can identify patterns, allocate resources more effectively, and implement changes to streamline the entire process. And there you have it, an in-depth look at healthcare process improvement. It's about making the healthcare system work better for everyone involved. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. If you like this channel and want to support my work, check out my Patreon page. The link will be in the description below. Until next time, may your healthcare experiences be as straightforward as possible, and remember, never stop improving.